We are live in Target, you guys, searching for mini brands. Do we see them? Mini brands! I'm buying them all. I'm buying them all. I'm buying them all! They have mini brands. They have mini brands series 3. They have 6, 7 in there. They have the series 2 collector's case. I kind of I miss opening mini brands. I miss it so much. And they have a whole full case and a whole full case. And then they have Disney mini brands. Nobody cares about those. And they have Disney collector's case. They have the series 3 mini mart. And that's it, you guys. They don't have the toy mini brands. They have Disney doorbells. Ooh, look, they have, is this new? Oh, they have the 24 mart, mini brands mart. And they have Fidgets, you guys. Oh, I just saw this in Unique Daily's video. This is so cool. Poppin' Octo Spinner. They have monkey noodles, gummy globs with air in them. I don't like the ones with air in them. And they have these. You guys are Fidgets. You guys are in the Fidgets right now. Maddie, say hi to the people.
Hi.
Show them the Fidgets. We have a DNA ball. A foil ball. There's literally so many.
You guys are in the Fidgets.
There's so many Fidgets. They have so many balls. Look at this.
Look at this.
We're supposed to be in the Fidgets.
Look, guys. Look, these ones have water.
I want to take this out. It's an XL speedball.
No, guys, look. These have water in it.
But it's tape. They don't have water.
Yes, they do.
Do they?
Oh, no, they
it's
don't.
air.
Okay.
Guys, look at these. What else do they have?
Pop tubes.
Pop tubes.
I already showed them that.
You did?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Guys, look at how many pop tubes there are.
What else do they have? They have
Chocolate 6.
Squishies.
They're so solid.
You want to show them this? Look at the color.
Wait, could we put them in this one?
Yeah, this is slime. Slime.
It's cool.
You showed them this slime?
Yeah, no.
Oh, those feel so good.
These are magnets.
Magnetic. Other side. I'll show this one. Squishy. Or the llama. With the llama.
A llama.
Alright, guys. Guys, we're gonna get Maddie a pet turtle. What are you naming your pet turtle? Callie?
Yeah.
She's gonna name her pet turtle Callie.
Look. Can I show them? Look.
Is that the vet?
Yeah.
See that? It's a whole vet.
I think this is this is where you put the dogs in to sell them. That's the weight. Tissue. The sink. Soap, food, treats, skinks, rays. Grab here. And we have this. And we have all the stuff. So we can fix the animals. You can turn that on. Guys, look, you can turn this on and off. You can turn this on. Yeah. And then you can put your coat right here. And you can put the treats in there. Yeah, that's it.
That's the puppy house.
This is cute. You think Jen can fit in here?
And look, Maddie. The horsey.
Horsey. I have a boy one. His name is Peanut. Oh, what is that?
Cooking pizza.
Look at it. Pizza.
Oh, look at the ambulance.
Ambulance.
Oh, somebody finished the lights.
We want that one.
Oh, this one? Oh, is it on sale?
Guys, look at the new, I don't know if they're new, but they're black and white, rainbow high. And they have the YouTube symbol. Don't know why, but you saw it here first. Look at this one.
Oh, it's all white.
I like that. Kind of makes the colored ones look like weird. And they have mermaids. Guys, we're at Target. Look at this squishmallow. They have Bronk. Oh snap. They have Bronk and he's $20. But those are his friends. And then they have this crab, lobster.